Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Production possibilities curves show us exactly how a country uses its resources. Let's quickly analyze this graph to find the true statement about efficiency together. First, look at the curve itself. Any point sitting directly on that line represents productive efficiency because the economy is using all available resources to their maximum potential right now. Next, examine points X, Y, and Z. Since they all lie perfectly on the boundary, they are all productively efficient. This makes option D the only correct choice here today. Finally, remember that point W is inside the curve, meaning it is inefficient, while point V is outside and currently unattainable for this specific economy. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps for success.